The ULTIMA ecosystem has launched a new pool, Booster 3.0. This pool offers a double benefit from freezing Booster Split 3.0 tokens in the Booster 3.0 pool and from freezing ULTIMA URC 10 coins from the ULTIMA chain network in the ULTIMA pool. The Booster Split Contract 3.0 package is paid using the method of freezing ULTIMA coins for 3 years. To complete the payment, you need to freeze your ULTIMA coins by sending them to the address belonging to the ULTIMA pool. After 3 years, the coins will be fully available for unlocking. This payment method also allows you to participate in another ecosystem pool, the ULTIMA pool, simply by paying for the Booster Split Contract 3.0 package. In this guide, we'll show you how to purchase the contract package for the Booster 3.0 pool. By freezing ULTIMA for 3 years before we begin, please take note of a few important points. When paying for the package using the ULTIMA freezing method, specify only a wallet in the Smart Wallet as the unfreezing wallet that belongs exclusively to you and to which you have full access. A single address for unfreezing can be specified no more than 100 times. After purchasing the product using the ULTIMA freezing method, the age of all frozen coins in the wallet used for the payment will be reset to 0. Purchasing the legendary Booster 3.0 contract, go to the website defayu.com. Log in and select the Booster Split 3.0 section. Scroll down the page, choose the package that suits you, and click Purchase. A window will open where you'll be asked to choose a payment method. Payment is only available through ULTIMA freezing. After selecting the ULTIMA freezing payment method, confirm your agreement to the terms by checking the box and then click Purchase. A new window will open where you'll need to enter the address of your ULTIMA wallet. There, after 3 years, you will be able to receive the ULTIMA coins that were previously frozen. Please note that you are only allowed to use your personal wallet in the Smart Wallet, to which you have full access. If you provide an exchange address, you will not be able to get the unfrozen coins. Additionally, using third-party wallets is not permitted. Paste your wallet address, check the box in the corresponding field, and click Confirm. A page will appear displaying the ULTIMA amount and the wallet address where you need to send the specified amount for freezing. The wallet address will also be available as a QR code for sending transactions from the mobile app. To complete the payment, send the exact specified amount to the provided wallet address. Please ensure the amount matches exactly as displayed on the screen. Wait for the payment confirmation. Done. You have successfully purchased the Booster Split Contracts 3.0 package through freezing. The frozen ULTIMA amount will be reflected in the Smart Wallet app for the wallet you specified. After 3 years, you'll be able to access the frozen amount. After payment, you'll notice an increase in the number of available Booster Split 3.0 in your dashboard. Done. You have successfully purchased the Booster Split Contract 3.0 package through ULTIMA freezing. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support, and we'll be happy to assist you.